Alright, here we are with another police trade-in. This is my Glock 21. This, like I said, was a police trade-in. I got this, I don't remember exactly, 300 bucks or so, a little over $300, which is pretty good seeing they were MSRP, you know, 540, a little over $500. But it had some scarring. I believe it was on the right side of that grip panel from being in a holster and rubbing against stuff. I got a little bit of lint stuck in there. Rubbing against stuff, it tore that side up a little bit, scratched it up. Pretty easy fix with those Talon grips I put on there. Other than that, it's pretty good shape, and it came with 2 magazines. This one's empty and the firearm is unloaded. The magazines are 13 round magazines, and the Glock 21, as you can see right there on that slide, shoots that big old 45 ACP. So we got another magazine still here loaded. I've only put like 10 rounds in these magazines, just out here plinking around. So we'll go ahead and switch over to that one and take a couple more shots with it. Alright, so here it is again. This is a chunky, pretty heavy pistol here. This is duty size. I believe it has an overall length of like 8 inches. So it's a chunky little handgun, but it's fine. You know, it's for carrying on a belt in the nightstand, something like that, you know. So the Glock 21, it's been around for a while, I believe since about 1990. This is a Gen 4. I would have to check, see if they're up to Gen 5 now. I'm sure they are. Gen 5's been out for a little while. I don't really look at a lot of new modern handguns that are for sale, only whenever I come across a surplus police trade-in. It's typically where I stay on modern or more modern polymer handguns here. But like I said, I got a really good deal on it, and it's a good shooter. I've had it for a couple years now, and I'll probably never get rid of it. So, go ahead and take a couple more shots. Alright, so one last look. Glock 21. Y'all like this short little video? You want to see more? You know, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. I try to put out content as often as I can. The content is kind of broad. It's kind of into the older stuff, surplus stuff, revolvers, etc. So if you like that kind of stuff, like I said, be sure to subscribe. Thank y'all for watching.